everyone. I am Ashwini from Kumadwati Science and Commerce PU College, Shikaripura. Today we are going to start the new chapter, Relations and Functions. You have already studied this chapter in first year also, right? Then what is relation? In our daily life, we see many types of relation. For example, brother and sister relation, father and son relation. What about our relationship? Teacher and student relation. In the same way, in mathematics also we see some relations. For example, A plus B. Here plus is the relation between A and B. And A is a subset of B. And then A is equal to B. In the same way we see many relation in mathematics also, right? Before going to start our chapter, once we glance what we have studied in the previous year. What we have studied? First is Cartesian product, then relation, then function. These are the main topics we have studied in the first year, right? Once we glance it now. First is Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Take any two non-empty sets A and B. The Cartesian product A cross B is the set of all ordered pair of elements from A and B. Given two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets A and B. A and B. The Cartesian product A into B is the set of all ordered pairs. Set of all ordered pairs of element from A and B. That is, the product of two sets is A cross B is equal to set of all ordered pair A comma B such that A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. See here. We take any two non-empty sets A and B. The Cartesian product A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs of an element from what? A and B. Here we given suppose two sets. Then you have this is ordered pair. Then how you are going to take here the first element from first set and the second element from second set. This is the Cartesian product. I will give you an example. If set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, set B is equal to A comma B. Cartesian product A cross B is equal to, in ordered pair we are writing first element from first set and second element from second set. In the same way, first element from first set and second element from second set. Then 2 comma A, 2 comma B. 2 comma A, 2 comma B. Then third 3 comma A, 3 comma B. 3 comma A, 3 comma B. This is the Cartesian product. We can also write this Cartesian product by arrow diagram. See here. Suppose that A is equal to, suppose that A has elements 1, 2, 3. Set B has elements A, B. Right. See here. Each element of A is related to every element of B here in Cartesian product. Okay. For example, one related to A and one related to B. See here. 1 comma A, 1 comma B. The next is 2 comma A, 2 comma B. 2 comma A, 2 comma B. Then third 3 is related to A and 3 is related to B. 3 3 comma A and 3 comma A, 3 comma B. In arrow diagram also we can write this Cartesian product. The next is relation. Next is relation. Next is relation. Relations means what? Relation is a subset of Cartesian product. We know what is Cartesian product, right? It is a part of what? Cartesian product. Relation is a part of Cartesian product, or you also say relation is a subset of Cartesian product. R is a subset of Cartesian product. For example, if I take set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a relation set of all A comma B such that B is equal to A plus 1 for all A belongs to A, B belongs to A here. Now, how we are going to write the relation here? The given, if you take the value of A is 1, then the value of B is 1 plus 1, 2. Here the value of A is 1 and the value of B is 2. If the value of A is 2, then the value of B is 2 plus 1, that is 3. If the value of A is 3, then the value of B is 3 plus 1, 4. If the value of A is 4, then the value of B is 4 plus 1, 5. And if the value of A is 5, then the value of B is 6. But 6 is not belong in this set. So here we stop. This is the relation. In arrow diagram also you can write this relation. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here. If the value of A is 1 and the value of B is 2. So 1 is related to 2. In the same way 2 is related to 3. 3 is related to 4. 4 is related to 5. This is the relation. Okay. The next is domain. Next is domain. Domain means the set of all ordered pairs. The set of all first ordered pairs. The set of all first element of ordered pairs in relation R. In relation R, we call it as domain. See here, the set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in relation R, we call it as domain. This, for example, I will take this example only. Okay, here they given the relation, right? In this relation, the first elements of the ordered pair, these are the ordered pairs. In ordered pairs, first elements of the ordered pairs, this is first element and this is second element in ordered pair, right? So the first element of ordered pairs, we call it as domain. So domain is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. First elements of the ordered pair in relation R, we call it as domain. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 is the domain. The next is range. Next one is range. Next one is range. Range means the set of all second element. The set of all second element of the ordered pairs in a relation R. We call it as what? Range. First elements means domain. Then the second elements of the ordered pairs in a relation, we call it as, here in ordered pair this is first element, right? This is second element. So the second elements of the ordered pairs in a relation R, we call it as what? Range. Then range is equal to 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. The next one is codomain. Codomain means the set of all elements in the second set. The whole set B, the second set, what we take in here, second set, the whole set we considered as codomain. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The whole set B we considered as codomain. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is domain, range and codomain. Okay. The next is function. The next one is functions. Functions is a special type of relation in which every element of A has one and only one image in set B. Or you can also call it as no two ordered pairs have the same first element in function. Okay, function means it is a special types of relation in which every element of A has one and only one image in set B. Has one and only one image in B, or no two ordered pairs have the same first elements. No two ordered pairs have same first elements. I will give you an example. Function set of all A comma B such that B is equal to A plus 5 for all A belongs to A, B belongs to B. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now how we are going to do this one relation? So if A is equal to 1, then the value of B is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. So, comma 6. If A is equal to 2, then the value of B is 2 plus 7. 2 plus 5, that is 7. If A is equal to 3, the value of B is 8. If A is equal to 4 means the value of B is 9, but the 9 is not in the given set. So here we will stop. By arrow diagram, see here function 1, 2, 3, 4. B 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1 is related to 6. Here 1 is related to 6 and 2 is related to 7. Then 3 is related to 8. See here now. Every element of A has one and only one image in set B. Or you say no two ordered pair has same first element. See here, ordered pair is different from one another. No two ordered pairs has the same first element. Here there is no same first element. Okay. In function suppose two elements have same image. Okay. In function you can see two elements have same image. But one element, two image, it doesn't possible. It is not possible. If it is like this is not a function. Okay, one element A has only one and only one image, or you see here no two ordered pair has the same first elements in function. Okay, this is function. Then next. Now tell me, what is the difference between function and relation? We have studied Cartesian product, relation, functions, right? Then what is the difference between relations and function? In relation we see 1, 2, 1, 4, then 3, 2, 3, 4. Like this ordered pairs also. Okay. In relation we see the same, the two ordered pairs have same elements of first elements. Okay. In relation we see the first element should also be same. But in function we see one and only one image. For this we call it as 1 is the image of 6 in function and 6 is the pre-image of 1. In function, first element should be different. But in relation, you see the same also. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 2 first elements like that. But in function, it should be different from one to another. This is the difference between relation and function. In this class, we have studied the brief introduction of relation and functions. Thank you.